Bluetooth operates through short-range radio waves, typically around 2.4 GHz, which is the same frequency used by many Wi-Fi networks. It creates a personal area network, or PAN, allowing devices to communicate wirelessly over distances of about 30 feet. The technology uses a master-slave architecture, where one device acts as the master, controlling the connection, while the others are slaves, responding to commands. Bluetooth employs a process called frequency hopping, rapidly switching between 79 different channels to avoid interference from other wireless devices. This hopping occurs 1,600 times per second, ensuring a stable connection. The data is transmitted in packets, with error correction mechanisms to maintain integrity. Security is also a key feature. Bluetooth uses encryption and authentication protocols to protect data. With advancements like Bluetooth Low Energy, devices can now communicate with minimal power consumption, making it ideal for wearables and IoT devices. Overall, Bluetooth has revolutionized how we connect our gadgets, making wireless communication seamless and efficient.